Welcome back to another Shift Gears Drink Beers. Today we're going to be doing a bit of an enduro challenge on my bike and on Mike's bike. Kicker here is I'm actually going to be riding both of them. We are going to be doing like this loop through here. There's a bit of an open section, you'll see, and then we got like a ditch down here with some big rocks for an enduro part, and then some open stuff on the road. So it's a little bit of a mix of everything. You can tell everything is really overgrown, so we're a bit limited to what we can actually do. Maybe later we'll do some hill climbs in another video on this track. I'm very comfortable on my bike. I have 15 minutes total on Mike's bike over the past couple months. I haven't touched it, I want to say at least in a month, but I'm gonna hop on it and we're gonna do a little time trial to see how bad I am on this one versus my own bike. So this is a 2020 KTM 250 XCW, and this is a 2002 KTM 250 SX. So I have e-start, this one does not. If I stall it, there's gonna be a bigger gap than what probably should be there. In all fairness, I am not 100% physically right now, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Should be fun. First up, I'm gonna do my bike, KTM 2020 250 XCW. Again, this is one lap, so if I stall out, wreck, whatever, that's the time. I think we have fallen, or at least I have fallen on most of the practice laps, and I haven't really pushed it too hard yet. But yeah, see you in a couple minutes. Woo, baby! Nice little open section to start it. Coming across. Oh, I messed that up. Came in way too slow. It's quite overgrown through here, and then we're gonna take a sharp right-hander down here. Woo! So you're gonna see everything is really overgrown. Too much throttle, that stuff is slick. I can't believe I didn't go down there. Alright, back into third gear. Gonna take this corner, lock you up. Oh, it's a little wet. Back into third. This is a nice overgrown section. I don't typically ride in the middle of this. This is how off camera it is, but everything's so overgrown. You kind of have to duck your head under all that stuff. Breathe, breathe. The shale is incredibly loose. Now we're going to drop down into this enduro section here. It's like a creek bed. Oh, the rocks aren't that big, but they're very round. Oh, it's in the wrong gear. Oh, that was so slow. This is like so slick. Uphill. Whoa. Woo. Get that heart rate up. All right, now we're going around. Cornering, not a strength of mine. A lot of big rocks in here. Very overgrown. Can't really stand up because how overgrown it is. And it's sand, so very slick. Ooh, go back end out. This whole corner is deep sand. Ooh. I had one big mess up down there. I was in the creek in third and I stalled it out. I thought I must have clicked one too many gears. coming out of the woods. Probably lost a couple seconds there, and it was not clean at all going through those rocks. So I'm very worried about how I'm gonna do on your bike. Let's take guesses on how much slower I'm gonna be. I'll let you guess first. What do you think the time will be on this one?
I'm gonna add 20 seconds.
20, okay. I'll add 30 seconds.
So you're adding 30,
because
okay.
I think I'll stall it at least once. Mike's clutch is so far out, his engagement point compared to mine, which is the complete opposite. I just run mine so much tighter. It's, for me, it's easier to feather. And when you gotta kick it, whew, we'll see. Shit, I haven't done that in a while. I'm nervous. Mischief already. The biggest difference I'm gonna feel in his bike is the foot pegs. They are so worn and like chopped out, oh my goodness, that I find it hard to stand on, but I guess it's something you gotta get used to. All right, focus. Don't worry about that. Oh, and his brake pedal's so small. I can probably clean up some time here by not just going nice and smooth. Third, I'm definitely gonna have to hit this in second. Oh, and I missed. Oh my goodness. This is embarrassing. The comfort level, oh my goodness. Woo, get low. Well, honestly, I think it's a bit cleaner. I don't think I'm as fast. All right, slow down. Drop down in. Oh boy. Whew. You go this way again. There's do or die time in here. Honestly gonna be sitting through most of this. Just nice and slow. Stalling it would be worse. Oh. Over that. Oh! Don't stall. Right in front of the camera. Baby, time to shine. Whoa, front end's getting squirrely on me. There's the squeaky of the brakes. Oh my goodness. Thought I was gonna blow out that turn. Get through this overgrown section. Why didn't I wear long sleeves? Sand section. Woo! Just got back, and I think Mike's more winded than me. He was running around, moving the cameras like a champ. Honestly, I am so happy I didn't stall it. I think that was the biggest thing for me. I did lay it over in the one spot just on the hillside, but I was able to hold on to it. I was more tired for this run, for sure. For sure. I felt that a little bit, especially like as I'm coming through the creek. I'm like, whew. I'm starting to feel it. I was a little slower coming out through here. I was smoother. I think I was trying to be too aggressive on my bike, and a couple mistakes that I made I might have held on better. So we'll see. That was fun. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace.